Alrighty, welcome to this week's video. If you're wondering why I'm not on the boat, well, you can see. It's Wonderland, baby. So in this week's video, we're just going to put together several of the clips that I have shot this week, or the past 2 weeks, I should say. It's mostly about the hard Dodger again, whatever. So anyway, let's get to the video. Okay. I've got the first coat of paint on the hard Dodger. I did this yesterday around 3 o'clock, and it says it takes a minimum of 16 hours before you can sand it. Unfortunately, the paint is still tacky before I can put the second and third coats on, so it doesn't look like I'm gonna get anything done on it today, but did a pretty good job. There's some runs and stuff in it, but all in all, pretty satisfied with the way everything's coming out. There's still a few areas that could use some work, but I think I'm about done with it now. So that's where we stand at on the Dodger right now. Alrighty, I'm taking all the bits and bobs. I don't know why I use that friggin' term. I'm not friggin' English. Anyway, I've taken all the crap off the sailboat, shackles, everything, and I forget exactly what I have. So anyway, I was on Facebook Marketplace, and someone has a bunch of blocks and fair leads and stuff for a fairly cheap price, for $100 for quite a bit of it. I'll show you guys after I pick it up. So I'm actually on my way, even though we're in the middle of the States. Like I said, someone has a bunch of sailboat parts that I'm going to buy, $100, and I'll show you what I'm going to buy once I get it. I'm about an hour away. I have to go to Chapel Hill to pick it up. So we'll see what we're going to buy. Some of it I can probably use, some of it probably not, but we'll see. I'll let you guys know. Alright, so I just picked up this stuff. It's all kinds of things. When I say all kinds of stuff, I mean a lot of this for smaller boats, I can tell. But there are a lot of fair leads. I took some stuff out. There's some blocks. There's a whole box. There's probably quite a few blocks. There's a whatchamacallit. But like I said, there's y'all can't see, but there's a bunch of stuff in here. It was well worth the $100. I'm not sure I can use a lot of it, but I can give it to some other sailors or whatever. So not a bad little thing. I had an hour and 15-minute drive there, and now I got an hour and 15-minute drive back to the guest house. But all in all, good purchase for $100 plus the gas. Okay, so here's the after the second coat of paint. It's looking pretty good. There's still some areas that need where I had some paint runs and things of that nature that I need to fix. But I think I'm gonna sand it, put one more coat of paint on it, and then finish cutting my windows in and call it good. What that means though, I still have to repaint it one more time, but I'll do that on the boat once it gets installed. Well, I'm on my way to look at some used 3/8 inch chain for my anchor windlass. Not sure it's going to be worth the drive. It's about a half-hour drive from the guest house, but it's they got 400 feet of chain with 400 feet of road attached to it, 5/8 inch road attached to it. And although I wouldn't recommend buying used chain, I'm gonna come out and take a look at it and see if it's worth purchasing on a temporary basis until I can afford some better stuff. So we'll see. I'll let you know. Well, I just looked at that chain, and although someone probably did use it as an anchor chain or some sort of another, it won't fit my windlass. It's not G4. It's not a short link chain. So anyway, oh well. Gave me something to do on a cold day. Okay. All right. So the Hard Dodger has the next coat of finish on it. There's still a few areas that need sanding, like right in here. Oh, you didn't see it. Like right in here, a little bit rough. But all in all, it looks pretty good. I was gonna put another coat on it, but it's so damn cold that it's difficult to work. We're getting ready to get a huge snowstorm here in Southern Pines. That's the reason I'm not back on the boat. I'm gonna turn the camera around so you can look at me. Oh, that way, let's do it. Really, yeah. Anyway, what I'm saying, hey, I'm not a professional cinematographer. So anyway, so what I plan on doing tomorrow is actually go ahead and finish cutting the windows. And then I do want to get one more coat of paint on here before I take it to the boat. It's just too cold to go to the boat. It's too cold here. I don't have any heat. Using a little space heater. The mini split systems have gone down. I'm using, I don't know if you can see it or not, a little space heater to try and keep it a little bit warm in here. That keeps it a little bit warm upstairs. So I just want to give you guys an update. Appreciate you watching. And here are a couple of photos I took last night during the snowstorm. You can see, looks pretty good, very nice. I want to thank everybody who did watch the video. Hit that like and subscribe button, particularly hit the like button. And we'll see you next video. I should be back on the boat.